Chef Goals and Endurance Living. I hope you are doing well today. So I said stay tuned for the next video. So I am back. So I am in the process of working on baby shower gift baskets, where I'm going to include some personalized baby onesies, and then I'm also going to include a few little gifts for the mommy and daddy to be. So right now, what I did is, if you saw in the clip, I went to the Dollar Tree and I got 4 of these stemless wine glasses. Very nice. And I have some permanent glossy gold vinyl that I'm going to be using on the wine stem glasses. So this is my first time applying the vinyl while using glassware. So I already went on to Canva. I created my design. What I'm going to do is I'm going to upload it into Design Space, and I'm going to go ahead and load up my Cricut with the vinyl, and we're just going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so while my Cricut design is loading, because my computer is like slow, I am going to go ahead and load my mat with my vinyl. Of course, I'm still somewhat of a newbie, or rather a beginner, with the vinyl. So guys, don't judge me too much because I'm still learning. Let's see. Can you guys see? Okay. So I'm just gonna roll this out. And I found this really, I'm telling you, Pinterest is so good for so many things. So I'm really not gonna need that much. So I found this, can I do this? So not even, but it's all right. I found this really helpful guide. Okay, so I found like this really helpful guide on Pinterest, and it tells you like the recommended size, the vinyl decal size chart. So I found one for stainless mugs and tumblers, okay, which is awesome. So for the wine tumbler, they're saying 3 inches tall by 2 inches wide. So that's the specs that I'm gonna use to cut out the design. I think that's really helpful because I don't want to be too overpowering. I just want to be, you know, on the cute side. All right, so let me get my Cricut. I gotta get my little duster and dust this out. So since this is the permanent vinyl, it's the color side is gonna go face up. Usually with the iron-on, you just do the glossy part face down. So I got my mat loaded, and now I'm gonna go ahead and load the design into Design Space. So let's just see if, so I have that. Okay, so I got that, and let's just create a new thing there. Got the canvas, and let's do a new project. And I'm gonna go ahead and upload my image. Oh, I just noticed that monogram. Okay, so y'all, please do not take this as a tutorial. This is just how I'm doing my process as a newbie on figuring things out. So yes. All right, so I think that is it. Okay. All right, so I found, and I don't know why it doesn't let me like upload more than one file at once. All right, so I normally do simple or moderately complex. So I'm gonna do continue. And this is the background remover. I'll zoom in so you can see the design. Mom, established 2022. Everything that I want to be transparent and cut out, it is shown there. So apply and continue. I'm going to do cut image, and then I'm going to upload it. I'm going to go ahead and just upload my other file, the dad file. And let's go ahead and get this started. So then there goes the dad file. Do moderately complex. And I'm just going to zoom in and make sure everything that needs to be transparent and backed and cut out from the background. That looks good. Cut image, upload, and there are my two files. So I'm going to do cut the mom. I'm going to see if I can get all the pieces that I need on the canvas. So I believe it was I think 3.5, was it 3.5 inches? No, 2 inches wide and 3.5 for the height. Okay, so we got that. And that is not really looking, I don't really like, let's make it a little bit wide. Okay, so we have that. For some reason, let's see, I think I'm going to do 3x3 because I'm not liking how it is looking on there. Okay, so that looks wide. Height is fine, but I think, no, let's do 3. Height, no, let's unlock that. Okay, we're gonna do 3.5. I'm gonna do 3 inches wide. Okay, I think I'm gonna just do 3x3. I think that is good. So I'm gonna go ahead and lock those dimensions in, and we are gonna go ahead and continue. Let me add, let's see if I can add. So that's the jade glass. I have to go to the craft store tomorrow and get some dishwasher Mod Podge just to kind of seal the vinyl. So 2 down, 2 more to go.
For travel costs from a trip to Las Vegas. Oh my goodness. Painless as possible. You and Miss Valdez living in your sober living facility?
Associated to the facility, not living there.
And became friends. Decided to take a weekend in Las Vegas. The idea was that each of you was going to pay $400, which was the cost of hotel, transportation. Part of your complaint is that Miss Valdez only gave you $350 instead of
right, guys, that is the finished product. That is the finished look there. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, or rather just how I put together this baby shower gift basket. And I will see you guys on the next video. Remember to like, share, comment, hit that notification bell, all the above, and I'll see you on the next one. Until then, live life goldenly. Bye.